There has been a lot of speculation going around on the internet recently on how to get easier lobbies in Call of Duty Warzone, but we have found out how it is actually happening despite what all of the hype and what everybody is saying on the internet and saying on Twitter. So what is actually happening is not what you think. There are these streamers and YouTubers that are manipulating the skill-based matchmaking in a different way. I'm going to show it to you. It's plain and simple. Let's get into it. Guys, welcome back to the MrTux channel. Today, we have a freaking banger of a video. How to beat skill-based matchmaking. A lot of speculation going around that the best way to get an easy lobby is that you need the best network equipment on the market right now in order to get easier lobbies. And it's not true. These pieces of equipment do help. They do help in the way that you connect to the Activision servers that are best pinged for you easier. That you can connect to these every single game or a majority of your games, and that the settings that you have in your router can make sure that you get it almost every single game so that you're not dropping frames, you're not losing packets. Everybody thought that this was how people were manipulating their connections to get easier lobbies. That would be like trying to manipulate the Activision servers, which is not what we're trying to do. It's not what anybody is doing. But what they are doing is they're just gathering information. When a lobby is created, there are 150 players, give or take, and shut up, Siri. When you drop into Warzone, when you get into the pre-game lobby, there are 150 players of all different skill types, and all of that information is being sent to the Activision servers. There is now an app, or there has been since October, that streamers and YouTubers are using to get easier lobbies. It is called the Warzone Companion app, and it is by Overwolf. And what this app does is it collects all of the information from all the different players inside of your current lobby, and it tells you what the average skill bases of everybody in that lobby. So as you can see on my screen, here is the Warzone Companion app. I'm going to open this up. It's launching from Overwolf, and this is what you are going to see. This is your dashboard, your skills, your matches, your records, all of the different information that you gather over Warzone. That's what's being transmitted to this app. Once you open up your game on Warzone from Battle.net, you'll go in, you're going to open this up, and this app will automatically launch. Now, allow it to have some time to register between you opening the game and instantly trying to hit the hotkeys to make this open up, because this was a problem that I was running into. I wasn't giving it enough time to actually register on the computer with this app. First, what you're going to do is you're going to go down the description to this video. Click on that. It is going to bring you to this screen. You want to download this app. Once you hit that, it's going to be down here. You're going to want to open that up and you're going to want to run it. As soon as you open the game is going to open with the Warzone Companion app. Now, make sure you do not start hitting all the different hotkeys trying to toggle this thing in and out, because it needs a little bit of time. As you can see, it's still in beta. You want to give this thing time to register to your device, and you're going to want to log in. It's going to register automatically with your account. If it doesn't, for whatever reason, then it'll give you an option to register it manually, and then all you have to do is plug in your name and your number for your Activision or your Battle.net or whatever it is that you're using, and I can hotkey in and out of it by pressing Alt X. You can see these hotkeys right here, and you can change them. I am going to jump right in, and then once we get into the lobby, I'm going to show you exactly what this does. And don't mind my stats. I know I'm not the greatest player ever. I only got like a 2.45 KD. It's not the best. What? What the f? Now, it may take a couple seconds for this to register. Oh, it just popped up. Okay, here's the top KD in that lobby. Somebody with a 3 KD, 2 KD, and then everybody else had a 1.9 or under. Also, I want to give a big shout out to where we found out this information. Jared FPS over on Twitter. He's the one that showed this app.
So there's everybody with top KDs in my game right now. I can see every single team and what their KD average is together. Every single team in the game in the pre-lobby, I can see their average KD. This team has a 0.3 average KD. That the lobby is a 1.41 average KD. So if I'm in a tournament, I'd be like, oh, let's back out. Let's try a different lobby until you get a 0.8 or 0.9 average KD. So that is why y'all have been getting stream sniped every game.
We went and looked up and found the link for it, and that's how we're able to make this video. So definitely go drop him a follow. He's the one that kind of brought this to light. What's awesome about this app too is once the lobby numbers do pop up, it will tell us if we have any hackers in the lobby, any known hacker IP addresses in the lobby. There are 2 suspected cheaters. This is what I normally match up against. Lobby skill level by KD. This is the best you can get. Now, here's the top teams. Here are the best teams because I have an average KDR of 3.2. Well, that's just where I'm going to be sitting. Now, I'm going up against somebody that has 2 hackers on their team. And so I don't want to play this. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to leave the game before I even drop in. So what we're going to do now is we're going to queue in to a random duos. We've backed out of a few lobbies where, you know, it's a higher skill based. And let's see if that has done anything for our game mode. Right now is not high time for the Activision servers. There isn't a wide variety skill base for all the different players that are joining into Warzone right now. Essentially, you could just enter into a game and leave the game because the game thinks, well, if you're a higher skilled player, then you don't want to play against the normal skill-based matchmaking that it's setting you up against, which is going to be a higher skilled player base. Back out of that lobby and it's going to give you a lower skilled player base. It put me, who has a higher KD, matched up with somebody that has a lower KD. 0.8. Okay, so now it's showing us the best teams. It's still too high though, so I am going to leave the game. If you're looking for something that doesn't have a high skilled lobby, then you're going to be looking for, you know, 50 or 100 players that have like a 0.9, 0.8, or a 1. Now you're probably wondering, well, I don't play Warzone on PC. I play it on the PS5 or the PS4 or Xbox. Unfortunately, at this time, when this video is being made, it is not available for console players. That is why 90% of all pro players or the streamers that you watch, they're all playing on PC. They're using this app. It will register to your Activision account, but it won't actively seek you being online by turning on your PlayStation. Your CPU might be taking some more usage while trying to use this app and play the game. And if you're streaming, when you're encoding your streams, make sure that you're using NVENC. Guys, if you enjoyed this video, make sure to drop it a thumbs up. It lets me know that you guys want to see more videos like this, and consider subscribing to the channel. Most of our content here is geared towards streamers, content creators, on how you can make your streams look 100 times better. If you guys have any questions, you guys can jump into the Discord server, and you guys can also come catch me live over on Twitch. I stream every Monday, Wednesday, Friday, and most Saturdays. Any questions you guys have, you can come hit me up while we're live in the Discord, or you can hit me on Twitter. All of my socials are down in the description down below. But guys, make sure to smash the like button. I will see you in the next one. So stay busy. And you've got to be kidding me. Freaking pansy. He's laying here.
You win this fight and you return to the front line.
What?